每一年4月25是世界徛鵝日，咱來去南非看當地徛鵝，即馬所拄到的生存的危機。目前全世界出沒到10個國家有野生的徛鵝，其中南非甲納米比亞有真讚的自然環境，讓斑喙環徛鵝佇遐生活100萬年。斑喙環徛鵝曾經是南非數量上濟海鳥，上濟時陣超過100萬隻。也毋過經過30年了後，快速來消失，出沒到1%。科學家預估到2035年，非洲徛鵝就會斷種。華視採訪團隊對着生態專家走訪着徛鵝佇南非的棲地甲救傷中心，咱就來探討徛鵝面臨着生存困境的時陣，人類會當做啥物代誌？
生做細粒子，烏是尻掌，肩胛有烏斑點，喙頭前有白色耳環，閣有粉紅色影。海沙坡烏色的毛球徛歌做伙，輕流唧唧的叫聲留地變困。因是斑喙環徛鵝，生活佇咧南非和納米比亞，嘛叫稱作是非洲徛鵝，或者是烏卡徛鵝。
Penguins that are molting. Once a year, they have to come out onto the beach and just change their feathers. But in that time, they're not waterproof, so they can't go out into the ocean to look for food. So they just have to live off their fat while they're standing on the beach.
How old is the small penguin there?
Those little ones, I would guess 3 or 4 weeks. We can see all the different ages of penguins here, from very small babies still in the nest, you know, where they still have their brown feathers. They're not waterproof yet, and we can see them going into the juvenile plumage of the blue-gray, and then the adult, which is black and white.
徛鵝的世界是一夫一妻制，不管到大攏行到陣。斑喙環徛鵝的祖先，1000年前隨洋流帶佇咧南部非洲。這條古水很用移民，可是南非數量上濟隻海鳥，是非洲的特有種。
在開普敦的 Boulders Beach， 每年都會有1000對的企鵝來到這裡繁殖。這裡是南非目前還唯一保持着數量穩定的企鵝棲地。在我們背後就可以看到有2隻企鵝正上岸來做休息。但是現在這些非洲企鵝卻面臨了瀕臨絕種的危機。
If you look at the 2 babies there, they're exposed to sun, it gets very hot, they're exposed to the rain, and so a penguin that nests in this kind of open area is much more likely to lose their babies.
極端氣候互照顧無安全，為着保護後代，徛鵝媽媽向身軀捕囡仔，家因鬥食節。
Offshore islands where the penguins nested on, you know, they had always been covered in a thick layer of guano. We call it guano. It's actually bird poo from thousands of years of seabirds, and it made like a soil that the penguins could burrow into to make a very good nest. But then Europeans discovered this guano on the islands made very good fertilizer for farms, you know. So they came and took the guano away, and that meant that the penguins didn't have such good nesting sites anymore.
長期關注徛鵝生態的保育顧問 Adam， 帶咱斟酌觀察棲地變化，沿海岸線行到關木林，跟對徛鵝的叫聲找找蹤影。
在岸上有很多像這樣塑膠製的桶子，它們被設置為當作是企鵝的人造巢穴，為了要讓它們避寒來保暖。
This is improving the breeding success of penguins because it's helping them to tolerate the temperature shift.
失去做收材料的企鵝，被伫咧动保团體打造為零工收，這煞只是企鵝生存的關卡之一。
Probably less than 1% of the penguins that were here 100 years ago, and there is still a decline. And today, the decline, a lot of it has to do with the lack of fish. You know, there has been some overfishing in certain areas. The government is not doing enough to restrict fishing around Penguin Islands. These areas need to be bigger. However, the fishing industry is politically powerful. Now we have a problem with shipping, with ships transferring fuel oil from one boat to the other. And sometimes we have some oil spills that harms the penguins, but it's very clear now that the noise of the ship engines very close to the island where the penguins are breeding really affects them badly.
磷灰干擾互身上較敏感的非洲企鵝族群減少真多。根據統計，非洲過去有超過100萬對企鵝。1919年，敢若一個島嶼棲地就有57萬對，不過這30年來總量降75%。1999年差不多42000對，2009年2萬對，2019年13000對，到2020年敢若剩1萬對。真濟南非在地居民和A等同款，囡仔時甲企鵝做厝邊。作為鳥類生態學家，伊愈着急。
It's part of our identity as a city is to have these penguins here, and to think that when my kids are still young, they might not be here anymore. You know, that's really quite shocking to me, because penguins have been living on the coast of Africa for millions of years.
通常企鵝都在不受天敌或者是人為干擾的島嶼上來做繁殖，但是從1980年代開始，漁村建築它就成為了人工的屏障，很好的來阻擋野生動物的攻擊。所以呢，有越來越多的企鵝來到了南非的西部海岸棲息，這裡就形成了非常獨特的海灘棲地。但現在因為瀕臨絕種的危機，所以有越來越多的科學家和獸醫投入了保育工作。採訪團隊拜訪南非海鳥基金會，只是做開普敦上重要的企鵝救傷中心。50年來，嘛將做非洲的海鳥研究重點。研究人員和企鵝放體重，依照健康進行飼料化。政府活力的心卻救起來了後，收容在了這。原軍隊獸醫未來到手術室等待高水患者。
So this penguin had a nasty cut there, another cut here. We sewed them up. This was probably from a shark. Shark probably bit him. Sharks are normal predators for penguins, so it's not unnatural.
这只企鵝現在因為在手術過後，現在要拆線，所以獸醫正在幫它處理這個傷口。
See how good their feathers are. It's very hard to find the stitches.
每一隻被救傷的企鵝啊，來到這裡之後，都會第一個由獸醫來做所有的傷口的檢視。如果有需要所有的一些手術啊，什麼都是由獸醫來親自照料。
Don't cut their feathers off when you do surgery like you do with a normal animal, because they need them waterproof and they'll survive better in the wild.
企鵝緊張甲佇咧會食苦，2禮拜前的空嘴好利利，漸漸恢復健康。
Until that muscle gets enough strength, until he's ready for release. We're really happy to say that it's over 80% of the penguins that we get that actually go back into the wild. So that's an amazing success.
它身上的這些斑點，其實就是它身份的認證。每一隻企鵝的這個斑點都不一樣，所以其實獸醫們他們也會根據它的這些身體的特徵來辨識它是哪一隻企鵝。
have these microchips. It's about the size of a big grain of rice. That gets put into the penguin under the skin, on the leg, and that stays with him his whole life. We have a database that has this microchip number, as well as the whole history of the bird when he was here in Sandkop, why he came in, how long he stayed here, what we treated him for, where he was released, and his age, and some measurements.
就驚徛過的族群消息，研究團隊長期監測，嘛建立完整的資料庫。不過首席嘛表達煩惱。
But the biggest problem that penguins are facing is actually a lack of food, and there we get skinny penguins that are underweight, and we have to treat them medically so that they can recover again. The wounds, luckily penguins don't usually have too many wounds from human activity, but all the other problems we're seeing are definitely because of people.
Oh, the food? Sardine. The sardine?
Sardine.
Yeah, sardine.
Light, yeah.
透早11點，拄好是食飯時間，徛過徛一排，等你叫吃。食粉仔魚，食甲窣窣叫，一日辛苦收容徛過，唔免煩惱搖巴肚，唔過未來一項，現實煞真艱苦。
The African penguin eats mostly sardine and anchovy, so these relatively small fish, and those fish stocks are very, very low at the moment, which has different reasons. It's partly probably influenced by heavy industrial fishing pressure, but also by environmental changes in currents, water temperature, those things. Currently, most colonies are declining at a rate of 5 to 10% every year. So there are model predictions that say that the species could actually be functionally extinct, so where the genetics isn't good to actually sustain itself into the future in certain areas of South Africa within the next 10 to 15 years.
研究徛過超過20年的科學家分析，會人類歐洲仔西掠收濟魚仔到專食老魚，極端氣候更加讓徛過的生存環境愈艱難。
We see a lot of more extreme weather events. So we have more heat waves in the summer months, we have stronger winter storms with a lot of rain, freeze in winter, and we got a lot of chicks in that were literally sitting in the water and were about to die of hypothermia or drowning.
不自由自在的非洲徛過，如今卻束縛在人類活動，含氣候變遷的天道地方，保育單位面前走最艱苦。
We are working with several agencies, including our weather department, our national parks department, on like an early warning system. So when the weather modelers will say, look, we're expecting a big winter storm, that we know which colonies will be affected. And then with our rangers in the colonies, we know how many birds are actually on eggs, how many are on chicks, and then we can be better prepared. 除了研究單位，國際級的海生館做伙發起連署行動，招民眾參與，希望大人都能爭做徛過的守護者。
But we've realized that we really need to come together and have a drive to start making a real difference, because otherwise the African penguin is going to go extinct by 2035. And so really what this campaign is about is that it's to create awareness in the public first and foremost, for them to become aware that the African penguin is in such a dire situation. Aquariums are places where we have animals that are in human care, and this is something, the Tertians Aquarium particularly, our goal is actually to get to a point where our wild ocean spaces are so healthy that we don't need to exist anymore. 徛過作為海洋生態系健康的指標部長，今日消息代表海洋當走向死亡危機。 為非洲徛過並非看見全球生活的小相難題，共款在地球生存的人民未當急國花。